Would you rather always be almost about to sneeze,
That's horrible.
always have an eyelash in your eye?
Oh, that's
really hard.
awful.
I love the feeling of sneezing. I'm not even here.
No, about to sneeze, not actually sneezing.
Scarlet.
I can't tell whether it was the eyelash. I can't tell whether that's the eyelash or the.
It's both.
I think I would have to. Oh God.
I like. Well, this is.
I'm gonna do
Eyelash?
To be on the cusp of something is so much better.
Eyelash
than,
is very uncomfortable.
It is.
Oh, you're on your own. over
But
there.
but I'm gonna make this argument that at least with the eyelash, I can still have a full-blown conversation with you and be trying to work this out.
You look like
of my
Popeye.
eye. If you
Yeah, that's true.
you can't do anything.
I don't know. I can't do it with the eyelash in my eye. That's gonna drive me nuts.
But you've got another eye, I suppose, haven't you?
Yeah, you always got another eye. So, Rupert, how was your day? And if you're doing that all the time, yeah, it
I'm gonna stay with my.
Look like you need a room.